If you or someone you know has been affected by the flood and is having a tough time emotionally, Project Renew is here to help. Project Renew is a crisis counseling program brought to the community by FEMA and the New York State Office of Mental Health. They're offering discussion support groups to bring people together who've been affected by the flooding in a safe, confidential environment.
Yes, it is helpful. People learn a lot about themselves, about ways that they can adjust to what we refer as a new normal after the flood, and also about where to go next.
The group will meet every Monday night at the Vestal Public Library for the rest of the month, and for more information, you can call the number there on your screen.